Yeah, that jumped right up. Watch the sun. All right, looking good, Pete. Let us know if you need any help with trims. On these AS3Xs, you pretty much have to put your trim in and then let it fly hands off the sticks for a few seconds. But that looks pretty good because remember, you're in safe mode.
Yeah.
And inherently, safe is going to give a little bit of a climb when you get up above half throttle. That's one of the good things about safe. It's only going to let you rock the wing over about 45 degrees.
That's true.
Okay, you're nice and level though. Give it some throttle, no elevator, and let's see if she climbs.
That was no throttle at all.
Yeah, see how it's nosing up?
Yeah.
That's pretty normal with safe from what I've seen. As it's an inherent, you know, built into the programming, I think, to kind of help you save your plane.
It is.
They cut the fuel since we were out here?
I think they cut it yesterday. Yeah, it's in great shape, except for the moguls, you know.
Have you flown your P-40?
Just that one time with you.
I don't remember that plane.
I got that in that T-28 from the fellow on Craigslist.
Okay.
Got them both for, he's selling them both for 50 each, but I gave him 130. A little more speed there, Pete. You're all right at the verge of stall.
You know, just a hair. Yeah, you're doing fine though.
What size battery was this? Does it look like a 32, 33,000 something? 33?
And it's about out of time. I'm trying to get it down.
Are you trying to land?
Yeah.
All right. When you get like right there, you can just start chopping the throttle down. And if it falls too fast, come back on the throttle. Like right there, I'd probably give it one tick. Give it some right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. You're in the rough. Yeah, that's all right. One piece. You come down in one piece, man. That's the way it's supposed to be done.
Appreciate the guidance.
Yeah, no worries, man.
She flies anyway.
Yeah.